Stop apologizing for your exhaustion. That heaviness in your bones isn't failure. It's the specific weight of the love you've poured out all day. The world calls it chores. They call it maintenance. But as I stand here, leaning against the cool granite of the kitchen island at 8 p.m., looking at the drying rack, I know the truth. This silence isn't empty. It is echoing with everything that happened here today. We are taught to hide the effort, to make the magic happen invisibly. But look at your hands. The dryness from the hot water, the ache in your lower back from bending to pick up the same toy for the 10th time. This isn't just labor, it is a liturgy. Every shirt you folded was a silent prayer for the person who wears it to feel safe. Every meal you chopped and simmered was an offering of nourishment to bodies that are growing and changing. The world sees a clean floor. I see the sanctuary you prepared for toddler footsteps and weary feet. So, when the exhaustion hits you like a wave, don't despise it. Don't think you are weak. You are a vessel that has poured itself out completely. That specific fatigue, it is the feeling of a job well done. It is the physical cost of creating a haven in a chaotic world. You are the keeper of the flame, and the flame burns bright because you tend to it. Rest now, not because you gave up, but because you gave everything. If this resonated with your heart, follow for more moments of home and healing.